In this video, we're going to explore Filmora 15 AI Extend tool. By using this tool, we can extend our Christmas video with just some clicks. So before starting the video, if you have not downloaded the latest version of Filmora, then do check the description below. So here is our Filmora 15. Here, as you can see, this is our Christmas video with no Santa Claus. Just imagine we want a Santa Claus inside the video. That's easily possible with Filmora 15 AI Extend tool. Just simply activate the AI Extend tool from the toolbar and extend the video. Now just simply set up the tool according to your preference. Type your prompt and click on Generate button. Now you have to wait some time for processing. After the processing, here is our final footage. As you can see, our Santa comes from the left side and sit down on the floor with the tree. Now just export and enjoy. If you have not downloaded the latest version of Filmora, then do check the description below. Merry Christmas.